If you think it's too late to start over, come here, come here, come here. I'm gonna need you to listen real close. At age 48, I found myself single after getting out of an 11-year relationship, working a job 40 hours a week that didn't even allow me to pay my bills on time, right? I'm sitting in a 1-bedroom apartment, stressed out, depressed, all of that. Yeah, I know. But in June 2024, I found this simple blueprint and I started following this thing step by step. It allowed me to generate over $45,000 right from my cell phone. And I did it without having to recruit a single person or build a team. So if you're from the age of 30 or if you're 60 plus years old, stick around because I'm going to break down and show you the exact the steps I took that saved me from burnout and financial ruin. Let's get into it. So if we haven't met yet, my name is Brahim Lark, aka Mr. Grinder Star. And what I do is I help people rebuild their financial lives through digital marketing, even if they're starting from scratch. All right, but before I break down why this works, you have to understand what didn't work, right? So in 2017, I first got into the online space and I started out in multi-level marketing. Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, right? I had success. From 2017 to 2023, I generated over $200,000 in that space and I built huge teams. I built massive teams. But here's what they don't tell you. I was burnt out, right? I was constantly dealing with company drama. I had to constantly recruit people. I'm working tirelessly to do that. Not to mention I had to deal with comp plans changing overnight without you even knowing it. And I had to deal with if the business was even going to stay in business. But at the end of the day, at age 48, I was done. I was burnt out. And I left that business model behind, but with it went that entire income stream. Yeah, I know people feel sorry for me, but don't feel sorry for me. But that's the truth of the matter. So that decision left me in a dark place, right? I'm sitting there, I'm feeling sorry for myself, working long hours, barely able to scrape by. But in June 2024, I found the Freedom Formula Blueprint. And then that's when I realized, right, the solution wasn't another side hustle where I'm chasing down family and friends, I'm DMing people, I'm constantly recruiting people. It was actually learning a business model that I never really understood, and that was digital marketing. So let me ask you something. You're probably asking yourself this. Do you need something to sell to make money online? And the answer to that question is, hell yeah, you need something to sell to make money online. That's just how money works. But see, the business model that I was using before was I had to actually rely on somebody else's company and I had to build a downline to create an income. The business model I use now is done for you digital products, right? These are products that are already proven. They're already ready to ship to go to the customer. See, I wanted structure, right? I wanted to be able to earn while I learned the skill of digital marketing. And that's how I was able to generate over $45,000 without having to manufacture anything, without having to ship anything, or without having to sit there and constantly recruit people to earn an income for a small little percentage. So this is the biggest difference between where I am now and where I was in 2017. Before, in my old business, I had to work tirelessly to constantly recruit people and earn a commission for a small slice of the pie. With this digital model, right, you get to earn while you learn and keep 100% of the profit. So you're not running around recruiting people for a small commission. you're actually able to deliver a product right to the customer, and that changes everything. And here's the part that truly gave me my life back. Automations, right? Coming from and working 40 hours a week, I needed something that worked for me even when I wasn't online. So I use a system that delivers emails and products directly to the customer. So I'm not glued to my phone all day. I'm not sitting there DMing anybody. And I'm gonna tell y'all, this isn't luck. It's a system. So I went from that 1-bedroom apartment to generating over 45K in 18 months. Listen, if you're ready to learn the skill of digital marketing and keep 100% of your efforts without having to recruit people or build a team or bother your family and friends, I left the exact freedom formula blueprint in the description. Listen, I want to help you. You know what I'm saying? So if you're ready to learn, grab the blueprint. And at the end of the day, you're not too late, you're not too old, and you can start over. So if you like this video, make sure that you like, subscribe, share, grab the Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description, and I'll see you on the next video.